much for joining me today. I am so excited because I have got video number 3 for you in my mid-length wig series. And if you recall, on my head I am wearing Sean. Sean is in the color 1488 number 8, sometimes referred to as wheat rooted and sometimes referred to as Swedish blonde. It is from the Rooted Euro collection and it is just a cute deconstructed bob and I love it. But I'm super excited about this one that I just got. It's Londyn. Isn't she cute? So I got her in the 1426, which is Parisian Blond. And in some instances, it may also be called Sunkissed Rooted. So I have not opened her. Of course, it's from Paula Young. But I went on a shopping spree and I couldn't help myself because I really wanted to show some more options, and it's still 100 degrees here. So, and we're talking Minnesota and it's September, but so it's nice to have the shorter styles. Also, when you're running errands, I love the shorter styles. So mid-length, short, you know what I mean. So this is how she comes. All right, so she has your basic cap. We have that soft felt front. We're gonna have your open wefting up here, so I assume there's some permatease. Your open ear tabs, bendy metal stay, of course some hair on those ear tabs, the open extended nape, and our Velcro closures. It feels like she has a good amount of stretch. And you can see her, oh my God, isn't she cute? Yeah, this is going to be 70s Rod Stewart for me, isn't it? If you want my body and you think I can't wait to put this on. Let's go for it. Ooh, I knew it. I knew it. OMG. This is fun. Oh, I need something more rocker. I need to be wearing a little more of a rocker outfit here. All right, so here she is for her cap. She's got a good amount of stretch, and it doesn't really have a part because it's just got that kind of spiky do. Spiky do, not shaggy do, spiky do. All right, let's look and see her picture. How did they do the picture? So let's see, they kind of went like this. She's kind of like got some attitude. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna grab my mirror and we're gonna spin. Oh my gosh. I know people that have haircuts like this, and it's always so cute. And I'm always so envious because their hair is just so doggone cute. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. That is fun. Super fun. OMG fun. So I do feel some permatease, obviously, to get this lift going on up here. And I'll just show you the coverage for me is good. Here's my ear tabs right here. Yeah. All right, so how would you style her? I might have to think about this one. Beth might be stumped. I'm not used to hair like this. Or at least it's been a while. Maybe a double ear tuck. O-M to the G. Yeah. I mean, I guess if you're looking for like a sort of punk rock vibe, 70s shag vibe, and a shake and go. I literally did nothing. I mean, you guys saw that. I literally did nothing. I mean, we could do a little bit of wig wax, and then we could really get big. Yeah. We're going for some Tina Turner and some Rod Stewart. This is cute though, you guys. Just debating how I wanna. I'm kind of thinking that's how you're supposed to wear it. It's just supposed to be big and wild, and you better have some self-confidence when you're rocking this style. So if you don't have confidence yet, you're gonna build your confidence with this. Because that's the definition of confidence. When you do something that is uncomfortable, but you do it anyways. Oh my God, you guys. Kind of like who is it? Lisa Rinna? Yeah. She, I remember her from the Days of Our Lives days. Wasn't she, I don't remember her name on there. But she was after Bo. I think she kind of was breaking up Bo and Hope. Billy. I think her name was Billy on there. If you guys watched Days of Our Lives back in the late 80s, you know what I'm talking about. This is cute. End of review. Alright, so I'm just going to play around and do a couple different things. While I'm doing that, I just want to remind you guys about my discount code BBH20. That's going to give you 20% off each wig, $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. You can use that code anytime through February 28th of 24. And that is how I'm giving back to you to thank you for supporting me on this channel. And I just love showing you guys new hair and new options and giving you inspiration. And I want you to always get the best deal on your hair. I know we're not made of money. I know wigs don't last forever. And if you're like me, you like to change it up. I have about 20 wigs hanging out in my bathroom. And I can't even tell you how many in my closet. But I like to keep them there because I like to change it up all the time. And on the weekends I wear different ones. On the weekends I'll wear multiple wigs. Even on my work day I'll wear a wig to work, then I come home and I change into a different wig. So yeah, you could definitely do some cute things like that with this one. I'm just going to add a couple clips. I love this color, you guys. I absolutely love this color. It is so pretty. This one is the Parisian Blond, also known as Sunkissed Rooted. Really, really, I love it. Oh my gosh. This one is like punk rock. I like it. Gives me that, you know, it just gives me that 80s kind of a vibe. I wear my sunglasses at night so I can keep track of visions in my eyes. I am just having so much fun with this, but seriously, you guys, this is super easy. Nothing that you have to do. I'm going to spin so that you can see one more time. Look at the fringe. I mean, isn't that cute? And it's a nice length. It's a little bit longer, covering your neck. So if you do have bio hair, I think this one will cover it. Really fun. Really a super fun style, an easy ear tuck. I love the rooted colors. This one is a keeper. This is a cute one. And I also think for winter, you know, wearing your sweaters or wearing your denim jackets, you're not going to have any rubbing or friction. so the ends of this wig should stay nice for you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick look at Londyn in the color Parisian Blonde 1426 number 8. This is so cute. Video number 3 in my mid-length wig hair series, and I just love it. I am having so much fun with this series, and I'm really happy that I decided to purchase these wigs and try something new and step outside my comfort zone, because you know that normally I wear longer hair. But these shorter ones are super fun. I have absolutely been loving Sean, and I have been wearing her a lot. So I'm also excited to show you. I have one more to show you. So you guys stay tuned for that. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this one. You can always expand that description box down below as well. And that has my discount code down there. I will also have links to my Facebook page and my private group on Facebook as well. I would love to see you over there. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.